all the line needs. Although the new miniature circuit breaker 5SL impresses with its attractive design, every aspect is designed with functionality in mind. A colored switching positioning indicator with plain text display is integrated in the operating handle, allowing the switching position to be clearly seen. Another advantage is the ergonomically designed handle, which simplifies operation a great deal. A touch protection is integrated in the terminal. This offers reliable protection against electric shock and thus helps to increase safety when connecting devices. The terminal design is clear and compatible with all other miniature circuit breakers. The hand-operable latching slide enables easy positioning on and removal from the standard mounting rail. This helps to speed up installation thanks to the time-saving snap-on fixing system. The bus bar is attached at the rear. The feeder cable is connected at the front of the bus bar. This ensures that the connections are clearly laid out and easy to identify at all times. With the aid of the snap-on fixing system, assembly devices can be quickly removed from the bus bar without the need for tools. The additional auxiliary switches and fault signal contacts can be attached to the MCB 5SL at any time. They are fixed using a captive bracket. A handle locking device can be easily applied and protects against unauthorized switching. The handle locking device can be secured with a padlock. 5SL miniature circuit breakers, all a line needs.